Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to begin breaking up our track into segments so that we can start thinking about how we're going to market the actual track, whether we're going to market this to people who are going to listen or whether we're going to market for sale. And assuming that you're listening to the track in real time, we can decide that everything between the 5 and 10 minute mark is something that we want people to hear before they purchase the entire track. So for example, what we can do is we can place our cursor at the 5-minute point, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control-I. We're also going to do the same thing at the 10-minute point. Now it's a good idea to then start naming this as a new project file, and perhaps you want to call this Hands-on Project 3 and you want to name this as segments, since that's what we're going to be working with. We can now decide that everything between the 10-minute point and the 30-minute point is going to be a specific segment. So we're going to mark at 30 minutes, and then we're going to hit Control-I once again. And then we can assume then that everything after 30 minutes up to 45 minutes is going to be something for perhaps a premium level. So now that we have all of our segments split, we can now save the final project. And we're now ready for labeling so that we can enable Audacity to automate the process of creating clips. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.